Offering opportunities to our homeless community. This is what this organization does. It's called the Opportunity Hub. We're here in Spartanburg. I'm joined by Hoyt Bynum to tell us a little bit more about what you guys do here.
Thank you so much, Jamarcus, for speaking with us. Here at the Opportunity Hub, we consider ourselves a one-stop shop, and that is a one-stop shop for our homeless. We provide case management services. We provide drug alcohol prevention programs.
And let's talk about the numbers. 100 people per day, and that's during the day alone?
It is. We see about 100 of our neighbors, and we call our homeless neighbors. So we see about 100 per day.
If you come through those doors, you're provided with case management, laundry services, showers, food, clothing, and we have a medical center. And it's our medical center that actually separates us from most. We see about 450 of the homeless folks every month in our medical center.
So initially it started out as just bringing them in, checking their blood pressures. And what I found out was I had many that wound up going to the hospital the very first day because they had catastrophic blood pressures. Looking at their feet, diabetics, we would find black toes, and would be able to partner with Spartanburg Regional and the physicians there to take that patient and do all the necessary tests and then do a balloon angioplasty that would save that person's foot. We partner with Regenesis Healthcare. They come out once a month with their mobile unit, and we're able to take the patients in and let them see them. The mental health center, the Spartanburg Mental Health, they come out once a week now. And that has been a huge, huge blessing.
The combination with the mental health and the medical problems, we're able to completely help them completely, okay? Mental illness has got a terrible stigma, all right? These people have loving souls.
Summer before last, I ended up homeless. I was in a very abusive marriage, and we came here together. And the Opportunity Center really helped me develop myself, and I trusted the people that worked here, and they helped me get out of that bad marriage and get on my feet. I struggled with addiction through most of my life, and there was a few stumbles in the beginning, but I got on my feet, and I've been clean a year and a half, and now sit on the board. And after I started living on my own, I started coming back here to help. They do a church service here every Sunday, and it was just really special to me.
It's so easy to have our jobs, have our nice homes, and go home and eat dinner at night and sleep in our warm beds and just forget about those who don't have that. A national statistic is that about 46% of the people who are homeless get there through medical bankruptcy, not through addiction, not through alcoholism, not through poor choices, but through medical bankruptcy. And there, but for the grace of God, go all of us.
I never thought that I would be homeless, and I'm sure every person in here when they were growing up didn't think that they would either, you know. And when you get to know these people on a personal level, it just shows you how it can really affect anybody at any point in life. If you've been in that low place in life and somebody has been that hand to pull you out, it is your duty to be that hand to somebody else.
It's over 100 people every day that we serve in our day center. 33 of those people have gotten jobs this year. We were able to house 9 people last month alone. If we could get the whole community to give $20 a month, then this center would be able to operate and meet the needs of probably every homeless person in this city.
Homelessness is very tough, but certainly here at our organization, our mission is to empower those who are homeless towards their journey of independence. And so we want to do everything we can to help those who need us most, and that's our homeless population. So we certainly appreciate the support from the community.
And as we've seen throughout this piece, the face of homelessness looks so different. So if you're able to give more, be sure to do that. And it's something that we don't think about, such a small monetary value, but it can really make a difference in some of the lives of the neighbors that use this service. MyOpportunityHub.org is the website to go and check out all that. Hoyt, thank you to all of you and all of your team for having us here at the Opportunity Hub and telling us more about what you guys do to continue to make our community here in Spartanburg a great place to live. We thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.